Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beginner cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the digital camera by Leknippy, an ultra-budget option priced at just $49.99. This compact camera is designed for beginners who want to dip their toes into photography without breaking the bank. One standout feature is its 48MP photo resolution, paired with 4K video capability, ensuring sharp and vibrant images for casual use. It also offers a 16x digital zoom, making it suitable for capturing distant subjects, whether it's wildlife or landscapes. In terms of design and build quality, the Leknippy camera is lightweight and portable, weighing just 113 grams. The 2.8-inch IPS screen provides a clear interface for reviewing photos and navigating settings. Though it's not as large or detailed as some higher-tier models, the package includes a 32GB SD card, 2 rechargeable batteries, and a Type-C cable, making it ready to use right out of the box. However, the plastic construction might feel less durable compared to premium cameras. Performance-wise, this camera caters to beginners and casual users. The autofocus system works decently for everyday scenes, but it struggles in low-light environments. While the image stabilization is digital rather than optical, it still helps reduce blur in handheld shots. Ideal for travel, family events, and vlogging, this camera offers great value for its price. However, the lack of advanced features and limited control options might not satisfy more experienced users. Overall, it's perfect for someone looking to start their photography journey on a tight budget. At number 4, we have the Deluvalu 4K digital camera, a compact vlogging camera priced at $85.99. This camera steps up from the Leknippy with its 4K video resolution and 48MP photo capture, ensuring crisp and detailed visuals for vlogging or casual photography. The 16x digital zoom and autofocusing capabilities make it versatile for shooting both close-ups and distant subjects. Additionally, its 180-degree flip screen is a standout feature for selfie enthusiasts and vloggers who need to monitor their shots. The design and build quality are durable yet lightweight, making it travel-friendly. The 3-inch flip screen is larger and more user-friendly than the Leknippy screen, and the included accessories, such as a charging station, UV filter, and camera bag, offer added convenience. However, it still falls short of premium cameras when it comes to build materials, as the plastic housing feels less robust. The overall aesthetic is modern, and its compact size is perfect for on-the-go creators. In terms of performance, the Deluvalu camera delivers respectable results for its price. The autofocus system is reliable for most scenarios, and the included features like slow motion, time-lapse, and smile detection allow users to experiment with creative photography. While its digital image stabilization helps reduce blur, it's not ideal for fast-moving subjects or professional-level shoots. This camera is an excellent choice for teens, beginners, and casual vloggers. However, its limitations in manual controls and low-light performance may deter those seeking a more advanced device. For under $100, though, it's hard to beat this level of versatility. Coming in at number 3 is the Kodak PIXPRO AZ405 BK, a versatile digital camera that bridges the gap between affordability and advanced features. Though the price is not available at the moment, this camera boasts a 40x optical zoom, which is exceptional for its class. With a 20x prime BIXPRO CMOS sensor and 1080p Full HD video capability, it's perfect for capturing detailed photos and videos, even in challenging scenarios. The wide-angle lens, 24mm, and optical image stabilization make it ideal for landscape photography or handheld shooting. Design-wise, the Kodak PIXPRO AZ405 BK feels more substantial than the previous entries on the list. It has a solid build, though it's heavier at 15.37 ounces due to its larger lens and advanced zoom mechanism. The 3-inch LCD screen provides decent clarity for composing and reviewing shots, though it lacks the touchscreen functionality found in some modern cameras. The camera is powered by AA batteries, which might be less convenient for some users compared to rechargeable lithium-ion options. In terms of performance, this camera shines with its optical zoom and stabilization capabilities, allowing users to capture distant subjects with minimal shake. It offers various shooting modes, including panorama and manual exposure settings, making it suitable for novice photographers eager to explore creative techniques. However, its slower maximum shutter speed and limited low-light performance may frustrate professionals. Ideal for travel and outdoor photography, the Kodak PIXPRO AZ405 BK is a reliable mid-tier option for those who prioritize zoom and build quality over cutting-edge features. At number 2 is the Yatao digital camera, priced at $149.99. This camera distinguishes itself with its impressive 6K video resolution and 64-megapixel photo capture. It comes equipped with dual lenses, a wide-angle lens for landscapes, and a macro lens for close-ups, allowing users to experiment with different perspectives. Its 16 times digital zoom and Wi-Fi connectivity make it ideal for vloggers and social media creators who want to share high-quality content instantly. The included microphone further enhances audio quality for video production. The design is compact and travel-friendly, featuring a 180 degrees flip screen for selfies and creative angles. The package includes a 64GB memory card, lens hood, camera strap, and 2 rechargeable batteries, making it a fantastic starter kit for beginners. While the camera's plastic build is lightweight, it might not feel as durable as premium models like Canon's offerings. The flip screen and Wi-Fi functionality make it versatile for vlogging and casual photography. Performance-wise, the Yatao camera delivers sharp images and vibrant video quality thanks to its high resolution. The autofocus system is reliable, and the shooting modes, such as automatic and movie mode, make it user-friendly for beginners. However, the reliance on digital stabilization instead of optical stabilization can limit its effectiveness in fast-action or low-light environments. This camera is ideal for YouTubers, travelers, and anyone seeking a feature-packed device at an affordable price. Despite minor drawbacks, it's a strong contender in the mid-range category. Finally, at number 1, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7, the premium option in this lineup at $529.40. This DSLR camera is packed with professional-grade features, including a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, Digic 4 Plus image processor, and full HD 1080p video recording. Its 9-point autofocus system ensures precise focusing, while the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology make it easy to transfer photos and videos to your devices. If you're serious about photography, this camera is a game-changer. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 has a solid build, weighing just over a pound. Its ergonomic design and optical viewfinder provide a comfortable shooting experience, while the 3-inch LCD screen offers sharp visuals for reviewing and adjusting settings. The kit includes an 18 to 55mm lens, which is versatile for various photography styles, from portraits to landscapes. The camera supports RAW file formats, giving photographers the flexibility to edit their shots professionally. Performance-wise, the Rebel T7 excels in image quality, delivering sharp and vibrant photos even in challenging lighting conditions. The optical image stabilization in the lens ensures steady shots, and the continuous shooting mode at 3 FPS is great for capturing action. While it's more expensive than other cameras on this list, its advanced features and reliable performance make it the best choice for those looking to elevate their photography skills. Whether you're a beginner aiming to grow or a hobbyist seeking a solid DSLR, this camera is worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.